What's up, Creek boy? Let's get the truck out. Alrighty. We don't. Oh, we do need those tools. Thank you. Yep. Sweet. Well, those are too small. I think we need the top ones. Look in the top drawer.
Whoa.
There we go, and then put those back. We just need that set. Because these are for the smaller trucks. I don't think so. We're putting in that motor. All right. Today we are going to be putting on this Quick Run Fusion Pro 1200 kV and the Sport over here. So recently I blew the motor in this, and I've been wanting a brushless motor just because it's maybe a little bit more reliable in the water, because I go deep, you know, creek boy. Yeah, this blew. So what happens a lot of the times, or at least in my experience over here in North Carolina, there's this like really grainy sand, and I think it gets in here and then shorts out the motor. And this is the third motor in this truck, so hopefully this doesn't suck. I mean, there's no holes or anything like there is in this one. So yeah, I think this is going to be a lot better, obviously. And then it's 2-in-1, so I'm going to get rid of this and put it in there, and then we're going to go test it out, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to go deep.
Should I press it?
Yeah, you can drive it real quick, because
Okay.
you know, and then we're going to bring your truck too, because we're going to show them. You got your green one over here. That's Ronan's right there. That's mine. And then we got Mama's with a trailer on top. We got Mama's. All right, I'll bring it over there. Okay. Maybe we can put some new tires on it today, because I do have some on the way. All right, let's get started. Let's put this motor in and go from there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What you got going on there? Oh, don't lose those.
It's the I. It's the I.
Okay, this is so hard with one hand. I definitely need to invest in a mount. Alrighty.
Oh yeah,
Oh
baby.
yeah, baby. Sweet. So let's test that. Oh yeah, I think that should be all right. I hope that fits okay. Anyways, let's put that to the side. Me taking out this.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for setting that up for me. I feel like you're a little surgeon. So we're gonna take off this motor over here, and we're gonna I'll take this over here. I'll put this right here.
I need that.
I need that. I need that. So we can share it. We'll put it right here, okay?
Okay.
All right. That there. This here. Perfect. All right. Well. I got the receiver unplugged, motors out. You can see all the crap in there. I gotta blow that out. But I just wanted to show you, open up this. Just wanted to open up this box here, see if there's any water in there. Just to show you that this receiver is legit. So all the time, I end up getting water in this receiver box. There's like a little puddle. No, not too big, because I drained it not too long ago, but this receiver is completely waterproof. I've had water like up to here in the box, and it's been doing great. The only issue, I mean, this servo is awesome. Haven't had any issues with that or anything. That is the Power Hobby. Yeah, there's the number right there. Blah blah blah, whatever. But the Radio Link receiver, absolutely awesome, waterproof for sure. Get this out of here. What I really like about this motor right now is there's no openings like whatsoever. I have another brushless motor. You can see like the bearing and everything. You want to work on your trailer?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you get, well, maybe you should put your truck. Where's your truck? Where the heck did that go? Oh, you put the body back on?
Yeah.
Okay, you just took the tires off. That's good. Okay, so what I really like about this motor right off the bat, there's no bearing showing. I mean, there's no way for like that sugar sand, if you will, to get inside of that motor. Like there is that big hole, and then it'll screw up that motor. So, and that's brush. So I think this is going to be an awesome upgrade for sure. Let's put this in here, get this over with, and then I am actually going to just use the stock gearing for right now. I will see if that works and how, if it gets any hot, if it gets hot at all. So we'll see if that works out. Okay, so the wire for this is too short. It comes with an extension on this, and I'm just gonna put a little dielectric grease in there. Get this one over here, waterproof. Dielectric grease in there. Alrighty, so we got the controller turned on, this in. Let's test this thing out. Power on, and yeah. And oh, I did do some settings. It comes with this, and I have this Hobbywing over here. You just follow these steps over here, and you can get the settings that you want to go for. I might actually decrease my drag brake, because drag brake is at level 5. Yeah. That is barely pushing the throttle, same speed on the throttle. That's crazy. I mean, I've seen other people do it, but until you experience it for yourself, it's really cool. Oh my gosh. Sweet. Just gonna load this thing up with RC cars. I'm gonna get this thing on the trailer. Look at that turtle. He's moving over there. Every time we're out here to see a turtle.
How did it do everything? Why is it about the serious?
It's crazy.
Maybe it's foliage isn't.
We gotta see how deep that water is.
It's good.
We can go maybe over that way.
No, I come as a heat, not to pay as a heat.
Yeah, well, maybe we can go see how deep the water is. Well, let's go over that way. We can park the four-wheeler. We can get over here. Okay. This is where we usually go with the trucks. Oh. Still intact. All right, let's go. We're gonna get over that way. All right, got the 3S in there, plugged up. Turn the controller on first. The controller on. Power button. Lights on. Let's sync it. We got Ronan over here with his truck, about to put the body on. We're gonna go in the water, the creek, boy. Let's sink him. He going already. Woo! I mean, a night and day difference, like already, in the performance of this truck. Oh my gosh, this thing's actually quick in the water. Quick off the jump. Don't lose the truck, boy. This is deep over here. This is so deep. Still running strong. We're gonna go deep. Oh, we're going real deep apparently. I'm up to over my ankles. Oh, she stunk. She flipped. Okay, I can hear it. I can hear it. She's on her side. This is too deep. I need to put some brass on this truck. She's still going. Yeah, I bet. You wonder what's going on with his truck, but he submerged his receiver or his controller completely underwater.
Where's it going?
Oh my God, this thing is going all by itself right now.
Why is it doing that?
Probably because you sank your controller. Yeah. Let go of the trigger. Push the trigger. Yeah. Thing's probably shot.
Right.
This is why you don't put your controllers in the water. Don't put your controller in the water. All right, Creek Boy.
Right.
We're just gonna get some little bit of shots, and then we're gonna end the video. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get some more footage of these crawling, and that'll be that. Okay. You have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Creek Boy.
Bye, Creek Boy.
See ya.
See ya. That's a good